Dense Networks spent a few months studying Atlanta's smart ATL ecosystem and came away with one key finding. Public-private partnerships are key to achieving the promise of smart cities. Atlanta has particularly leveraged the knowledge and research of the academic community. Atlanta is smart. Georgia Tech, Emory, Georgia State, Spelman, Morehouse. Let's hear from the experts.
You got a great R&D university, or a few of them frankly, with Georgia Tech and with Emory, and even Georgia State now participating in this. You've got the Metro Atlanta Chamber of Commerce, which is regional, pulling together all of the different disparate pieces of the Atlanta ecosystem to get them to focus on one common objective.
For instance, Smart City is on the agenda of the mayor. It's something that's really important to the city of Atlanta right now. So it's kind of a perfect storm of them all coming together. The businesses, the government, the universities in the region, they're all doing work around this as well. For instance, Georgia Tech has the Center for the Development and Application of Internet of Things technologies and are doing a lot of work around IoT and smart cities. So really in this area, it's just, like I said, a perfect storm of everything coming together at once.
So Georgia Tech has been a huge supporter of the Smart Atlanta initiative. So right now we're working on an agreement with them on how to manage and govern our data. And so they have willingly stepped up to the plate to say that they will be the repository for all of the big data that's coming in and helping provide analytics, security measures, and also just some best practices around data management and data governance. So they are becoming a tremendous asset to the city in that realm.
I think we're getting it right, first off because we, particularly on the PPPs, because we know our strengths, but we also know what our weaknesses are and where certain services are better left to be executed by the private sector and leveraging the private sector, right, in all our work is a very good thing, right, for us to serve our citizens in the city the best we can.
We have several different organizations that are studying what the city does and what our public-private partnerships are doing, not only as a way of then learning from our own experiences, but also able to input and to say, hey, this is what Philadelphia did in the past, this is how New York's handled that from an academic perspective, which has been just an absolute treasure and a real tool for us to learn and follow best practices as they've been achieved in other cities.
It's really what a PPP is, right? It needs to be, not just a piece of paper, but a true win, right, for all.
If you want to learn more about the use cases, business models, and technology architectures transforming society, check out densenetworks.com or join us at one of our events around the United States.